Hello class 9, we are doing chapter number 2 of geography, which is the physical features of India. In this chapter we already discussed some points regarding physical feature. Today we will discuss the islands. You have already seen that India has a vast mainland. Beside this, the country has two groups of islands. In your previous picture we already see that Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. These are the water bodies which are near to the India. And in the lower portion, here you can see the 6th point, which is islands. Now it is Lakshadweep Island and the second one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. What is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island? Port Blair. And what is the capital of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti. So after the discussion of physical feature, we will discuss the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Islands. Locate the Lakshadweep Island group lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. Yesterday we discussed that where is Malabar coast. So near Malabar coast of Kerala we get the Lakshadweep Island. This group of islands is composed of small corals island. It is made up of small corals. Here you can see the picture of island. It is made up of small corals. Now what is coral? Here you can see the define of coral. This is very healthy term which is used in this coral, like it is a colony and flourish in shallow. I clear one thing, that what is coral? Small creatures, small living insect which are living in ocean, and when they die, the small liquid come from their body, and when they assemble, when they close to each other, it make a hard surface. This hard surface is known as coral. I repeat, small creature or small insect which are living in oceans, and when they died, then the liquid material which comes from their body and it convert into a hard surface. This hard surface is known as islands. So here is your term, that earlier the Lakshadweep Island is known as Lakadiv, Minicoy or Amandiv, but nowadays in 1973 the new name is Lakshadweep. It covers small area of only 32 square kilometer, and Kavaratti Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. It is the capital of Lakshadweep. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. Flora means plant and fauna means animal. So it has a great variety, a big variety of plants and animals. The Pidi Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary also. Bird sanctuary means where we can keep birds and to save them. Now you see the elongated chain of islands located in the Bay of Bengal. Now many islands are in the Bay of Bengal, extended from the north to south. They are extended from north to south. These are Andaman and Nicobar Island. When you see small islands in the Bay of Bengal and the combined, the large range of these islands is known as Andaman and Nicobar Island. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. The entire group of islands is divided into two broad categories. These all islands, when they combine, and to understand it very easily, we divide into two categories. The first one is Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. We always call it Andaman and Nicobar. It is not a one island. It is the combination of many islands, and we categorize into two categories. The first one is Andaman and the second one is Nicobar. It is believed that these islands are at an elevated portion of submarine mountains. These islands groups are of great strategic importance for the country. They have economic value also for us. There is a great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands too. We know very well that on Lakshadweep Island and on Andaman and Nicobar Island also, we have great diversity of flora and fauna. Different type of species are found here which are helpful for us. These islands lie close to the equator and experiences equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. This forest, Tropic of Cancer, passes through the India. After that, the Tropic of Capricorn and the middle line, which is equator, which is near to the Andaman and Nicobar Island. That is why they are experiences equatorial climate. Equatorial means the climate which is faces by the equator, which is faces by the area or the country which are near to the equator and has thick forest cover. It has thick forest means huge amount of forest. Now do you know India only active volcano is found in Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar group of island. We have only one active volcano which is on Andaman and Nicobar Island with name as Barren Island. We have only one active volcano and its name is Barren Island, which is in the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. A detailed accounts of the different physiographic units highlighted the unique feature of each regions. We already discussed about the different physical features of India, and every aspects of this point have unique feature of each region. It would however be clear that each region complement the other and make the country richer in its natural resource. Our country is full of resources. Every physical feature has its own value, and the mountains are the major source of water. We already discussed about the Himalaya mountain, and the mountains are the rich or major source of water and forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. Granaries of the country. They provide the base for early civilization. In earlier time, the people in like Harappa civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization, they all living near to the water bodies. So they provide the base for early civilization. All the civilization was near to the water bodies. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country. The plateau, they have rich in minerals, and that is why they play an important role for our industry also. They provide raw material for our industry. The coastal regions and island groups provide site for fishing and port activities. It also attracts tourism also. Thus, the diverse physical features of land have immense future possibility of development. These physical features show us that India has a bright future, and it gives many opportunity to India to bright future, to increase and to possibility of development. Now the next one, here is your question answers, and try to solve these question answers and then send me your answers. Like, what is Bhabar and the major divisions of Himalaya, plateaus, island group of India having coral origin, we know Lakshadweep. Difference between Bangar and Khadar, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Major physiographic division of India, Himalaya mountain, northern plains, Indian desert. Everything we discussed already, and try to solve these question answers and make your own notes for your future also. Thank you so much.